In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view all completed tasks in ClickUp. If you're using ClickUp to manage your projects and tasks, you might already be aware of how feature-rich it is. One key aspect of staying organized and efficient is knowing how to view your completed tasks. This helps you track what has been accomplished and keeps your projects running smoothly. Let's walk through this process step by step to make sure you can effortlessly access this information whenever you need it. To start off, launch your ClickUp app. Once you're on the home page, take a moment to familiarize yourself if it's been a while since you last logged in. First, you'll want to navigate to a specific space. Think of spaces in ClickUp like the overarching categories or groups where your tasks live. Each space might represent a different team, department, or project. So go ahead and click on the space that contains the tasks you're interested in. This is the first key step in honing in on your completed tasks for a specific area of your work. After selecting your space, the next move is to choose a relevant list within that space. Lists are basically collections of tasks that likely fall under similar objectives or goals. It helps to think of a list as a more focused subset of your space. Selecting the appropriate list will ensure you're looking in the right place, especially if your space contains multiple different projects or objectives. This focus allows you to zero in on the right tasks without sifting through unrelated information. Now that you've drilled down to a specific list, let's get aligned with those completed tasks. Look for a tab or section labeled Closed. This label might vary slightly depending on your ClickUp version or any customizations, but the Closed Tasks tab is commonly used to signify completed activities. By clicking on Closed, you'll reveal all the tasks that have been marked as finished within that specific list. This view gives you a clear and organized perspective on everything that's been wrapped up, so you can ensure no completed task goes unacknowledged. There you have it, a quick and easy way to view all your completed tasks in ClickUp. By following these simple steps, navigating to your space, selecting your list and clicking on Closed, you can stay on top of what's done and dusted. This not only gives you peace of mind knowing what your team has accomplished, but also helps you plan future actions more effectively. Thanks for joining me today, and don't forget to explore more of ClickUp's features to amplify your productivity even further.